Hi, my name is Jackie Zhou. Today I'd like to introduce my website to you. As you can see, this is my home page, and the name of this website is eHealth. This system will collect the health data from the customers, and at the same time it will provide the health data to the advisors and enable the advisor can make some accurate and customized plan to the customers. And finally, the admin staff can search the personal data of the both customer and the advisors. And if there is some error, they can delete the data of customers or advisors. After that, let us have a look at the system. First, let us have a look at the admin stuff. As you can see, there is the login system. If we type the username and the password to the admin, it will allow us to access the admin page. So if we have some wrong login, it will lead us to a login field page, and it will enable us to back to login again. So this time, if we log in, right, as you can see, first you can find there is some information about this customer. So, for example, password, emails, birthday, and nationality. And there is, I have to say, this website is both suitable for computer and the smartphone, because you see the size, because you know the size of the devices is size of the screen of the devices is quite different. So if we make it smaller, as you can see, the left menu will disappear. So we just set it head when the size is shorter. So first, the customer can search the advisors of the system. As you can see, there is some personal detail, and after that, the admin staff can also delete them. So for example, if we try to, yes, we convert to delete it, and when we back, and as you can see, the user J has been deleted. And we can also search the information about the customer. For example, if we want to search some customer whose birthday is on March, as you can see, the customer H and the customer K whose birthday is on March. And we got back. And we also can manage the personal information of the customer, and we can also delete it. And after that, let us have a look at the advisor. We also can log in on advisor, and before that, we let us have a look at the registration system. So we can register the customer. The customer name have to longer than 5 characters, and the password have to be 6 characters. So we'll just randomly get them some information. Something just like that. So once the advisor login successfully, and it will turn the page to the login, and after that, if we log in into the advisors, we can also find some advisors information here, and the interesting stuff is we can find each customer's health data in this customer search page. If we, for example, if we want to see the health data of customer F, we can find it here. It is quite easy for the advisors to search specific customers. And after that, they can according to the health data to give some accurate and customized plan to the customer. For example, if we give a plan to the customer A, and we set the plan will start at the November of December, 12th of November, for example, this year, and we take it, just make it easy. First, you need to have some push, and second, you need to have some pull. Finally, you need to eat some eggs. Right, that's it. So we submit it, or once it's been insert into the database, it will choose succeeds, and we can back to the advisor page. And let us have a look at the customers page. So first we need to log in into customer. Right, and we just press login, and we can also find some personal information of the customer, and there will show some. As you can see, here is some health detail of this customer. It will show the health detail as a chart, and they can take some course. For example, if we just take jogging course, yes, if we take it, and they can also take advisor. For example, we take advisor A is our advisor, so we just press yes. And if we back to the health detail, in this page it will show all the information of the customers. As you can see, here is the personal data. As you can see, we selected the advisor before, and here is the advisor information. It shows which advisor are serving this customer. Here is the customer detail, and here is the plan. We just make the plan right now to this customer. And finally, customer can also make appraisal to the advisors. For example, if we just make some appraisal to the advisor I, and give the mark is 80, and just say here's good, and we submit it. Right, and once we got back to see, yes, as you can see, and the information has been inserted into the database, as you can see here. So this is what my website, and this is what my website about. Thank you so much.